The first thing you'll notice when you visit the Vet Lounge is that our facilities are 5-star. We've invested a lot of time into creating an environment that is comfortable and relaxing for your pet, but it doesn't mean that we're expensive. In fact, we are equally known for our affordability. Here at the Vet Lounge, we believe in educating you on your pet's health needs, rather than just telling you what they need. This is why we've developed our own iPad application. The application allows our vets to show you diagrams and email home a comprehensive ebook to help you and your family better understand your pet's condition. The Vet Lounge has been recognised as a quality business and has won a number of awards, including an Australian Telstra Business Award, where we were awarded the Best New Business in Queensland, and most recently a Gold Coast Business Excellence Award for Best Emerging Business on the Gold Coast. While it's important that the vets and nurses are highly skilled, we also believe that the environment plays an important role. It must be clean, calming and well equipped, and we welcome you to come in for a behind the scenes tour. We'd love for you to come and meet us, so why not take advantage of our free dental health checks? This will allow you to meet the team and have a behind the scenes tour. Simply call the practice closest to you and book in your free dental health check. We look forward to meeting you and your pets soon.